Hello and welcome to successwithgroups.net. Today's short topic is teams and teamwork and how teamwork can actually help you create better success, more success for your team, for your business, for your practice, for your organization. So at successwithgroups.net, we're calling a team an acronym for Together Everybody Achieves More. And that's what we really want to do, together achieve more in our teams. And what we do when we're working in our teams is we're collaborating with the different members of the team. Harry and I will actually help you within the team, and you can learn from each other, from our experience, as well as from the experience of other team members. And oftentimes when we think about it, we don't necessarily know how much we know, how many people and connections we have, how much knowledge we have already accumulated, until somebody starts asking us a few questions and gives us a hint or talks about a story that they experienced. And as soon as that happens, we realize, hey, we actually have some knowledge, we have some experience that we can contribute so that everybody in the team benefits. And that's what makes Success with Groups so strong and so powerful, that not only do you have two coaches and experienced business entrepreneurs helping you grow your business and your practice, but you have the other members in the team. And we're not talking huge teams, we're talking teams of 4 to 10 people working together in 3-month chunks to achieve common goals. So I look forward to seeing you at successwithgroups.net. Take a look at our website, join one of the teams and of the groups that are appropriate for you, and then we can work together to actually make everybody benefit more. Thank you.